step-by-step guide to farm Humanity Protocol Testnet Airdrop. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to farm the Humanity Protocol Testnet Airdrop. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, what you want to do is just head over to the testnet.humanity.org/login, and then what you want to do from here is to just simply create an account. So you can create an account by connecting a wallet, adding your email, or you can connect via X, Discord, Google, or Telegram. So feel free to choose on which mode you're going to sign up with. But for me, I'll just simply sign up with my email. And then after that, what you want to do is to just simply input the code that's been sent from your email. So just open up your Gmail, and after that, just input the code from your email. And then after that, just wait for this to load, and then there you go. So after that, it will ask you to create your human ID. So choose a name for your human ID. So the human ID must contain 5 to 20 characters, etc., etc. And then what you want to do here is you want to input who invited you, so enter their human ID. So for example, just name myself, this one, how to do it. And then after that, what you want to do is you just input the person's human ID on who invited you. Then after that, just click on next. And then after that, it will ask you for your complete profile. So it will ask you for your first name and last name. And then after that, just click on next, wait for that to load, and then there you go. You have now created an account in Humanity Protocol. So what you want to do from here is to just simply copy your address over here. So just copy that. So next, what you want to do is just simply go click on faucet right here. Then after that, you'll be redirected here. So in here, what you want to do is you just simply paste in the address that you've copied. And then after that, just click on request. Then after that, what you want to do is just go back here in Humanity Protocol, and then after that, what you want to do is just simply click on claim Genesis reward. And then after that, it says right there that your transaction has been submitted, so your transaction is in the queue. So this may take a few minutes, so you can contribute. You can continue browsing and even close this tab. It will eventually go through successfully. So after that, what you want to do is just simply wait until you get your reward. So it might take you a few minutes to get your reward, so all you have to do is wait. And then after waiting, and once you've gotten your reward, there will now be a timer right here that will display on when you can get your next reward. And then after that, you will just keep on getting rewards from there. So every day you'll guarantee on getting a reward. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to farm Humanity Protocol Testnet Airdrop. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.